Here's how to fix the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard and their Prematurely. If this video helps you, all I ask in return is that you subscribe. Let's go. Now guys, the first thing you want to do is open your task manager. You could just press on search and type in task manager and go ahead and open it. In here, you want to look for Epic Games, and if you have anything related to Epic Games, you want to select it and end that task. Make sure you don't have anything related to Epic, even the Epic installer, nothing in here open. You want to end those tasks, okay? Now next, we're going to go back to search and we're going to type in add or remove programs and go ahead and open it in here. And now you want to search for the Epic Games Launcher in case you have a corrupt installation of the Epic Game Launcher. And now you're going to select that and you're going to uninstall it, and you're going to do the same for the Epic Online Services in case they don't get deleted automatically. Now after that, we're going to open the File Explorer in here and we're going to head over to our C drive. So head over to this PC and open your C drive, which is where you have your Windows installation. In here, head over to Program Files and look for Epic Games, and as you can see, mine is right here, and you're going to delete that folder. Right click on it and just hit delete, and then you're going to head over to Program Files and you're going to find Epic Games in here as well, and you're going to right click on it and you're going to delete it as well. Now after you have completely deleted any Epic Game instance from your computer, we're going to open the Microsoft Store, and from the Microsoft Store we're going to search the Epic Games Launcher. Now the issue that you're having is probably with the Epic Games installation from the Epic Games site. So what you're going to do is install Epic Games from here, from the Microsoft Store. So just hit install once you find it in here, and trust me guys, this is going to fix the issue for most of you. Anyways guys, if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and I'll see you guys next time.